Okay, everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. And I got some more lovin' from the oven. Check this dish out, eh? Yeah. Have a gander at that, eh? I'm gonna try zucchini boats for the very first time. And those look so good. So I had these in the oven for like 45 minutes. And well, you have to put my camera down. I have to scoop this up with two hands because that lasagna pan is quite heavy. Okay, so here's a better look at them. And I can't wait to try these. These are, I'm just waiting for these to cool down before I dig into them. It's a pretty easy recipe to make. And it's only took up 15 to 20 minutes of prep time. And I guess you can use any size of zucchini you like. I use medium sized zucchinis here. I made 6 of them. Yeah, that's about, I'll probably just end up eating 2 of them because I'm such a big guy. And yeah, so 2 apiece, 3 portions for me. And oh man, that looks so good. Yeah, here's another creative way to get your five servings of produce a day into you. And so I used crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, and ground pork for the sauce, and what I put on top was red and yellow sautéed red and yellow peppers and mushrooms. And for the last 15 minutes of cooking time, I put a bit of shredded cheese on top. And they look alright. Well, I have to wait till they cool down for about 15 minutes. They look alright. Well, alright. Okay, so we're going to give these a taste test here. They cool down enough for me, and I'll give these a try here. You know, that's pretty tasty. You know, I just can't believe how many flavors I'm tasting right now. You know, this is gotta be the best dish that I've cooked in my culinary career, if you want to call it that. Yeah, I think I cooked the zucchini a little too long. I think it's almost sogged out. Maybe that's normal. I don't know. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever made it. Yeah. You know, that's a good combination. Roasted zucchini, like tomato sauce, yellow and red peppers, mushrooms, and a little sprinkle of cheese on top. Tastes pretty good. I definitely would make this recipe again. I think this is more of like a summer recipe, but you know, it's the tail end of summer. I probably won't make the skin until next year, and maybe I can find some better quality zucchinis, or maybe something a little larger than the zucchinis I used. But I highly recommend this recipe. And this one I created myself, so so yeah, it was all right. Take care.